had a little incident yesterday during a tandem flight, so in this video we're going to find all the broken bits, replace them, and then we're going to thrash it. This canopy's had more than a few bashes, so in the bin with that one. To check an output shaft, move the slider to the end of its travel and put your fingers on the bell cranks. Now when you rotate the shaft, you'll feel the bell cranks move if the shaft is bent. This one is bad enough so you can see the bell cranks moving back and forth. So let's put that one on the list for replacement. To check the hub, rotate the blade grips until the arms are together and hold them lightly while you spin the hub. If there's any bend at all, you'll feel the arms move against each other. This one seems fine, so we got away with that. We can check the feathering shaft here in the same way as the tail hub. Blade grip arms together and rotate the shaft. This one's fine too. To check the main shaft for straightness, move the swash all the way to the top and rotate the head. If there's any bend, the anti-rotation pin will move in and out of the anti-rotation bracket. There is a tiny bit of movement here, so this one will have to be replaced. That should be it. Off to Hely-shop to get the new bits. Okay, that's it. All done. Let's go to the field. That's it for now, and hit the subscribe button below if you want to see more like this. Until next time.